morning everybody, I hope you can hear me. It's Friday and I am going to work, but I'm going to work in our Northwest office. So yeah, and I thought while I'm up here I might as well make the most of it. So tonight I'm going to finish work about 4:30 and then head up the coast further to go visit my cousin and stay there for the night and then just drive back tomorrow. I thought while I'm driving and the sun's just come out and it's absolutely beautiful, it's like 7:30 in the morning, I would introduce the vlog. I know I'm out of focus, but I'm driving, so I'm not going to fix it because safety first, kids. Safety first.
So what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a regular soy vanilla latte?
So while they work on the house, I gotta go help with the wedding. We're gonna go set up.
Good morning. If you can't tell, I'm absolutely freezing. I'm so rugged up in this scarf. Hey guys, it's Sunday and Ali and I are at Evandale Market. So let's go have a gaze. Have a gaze up.
Look at those Nike tops.
So hey everyone, this vlog started last weekend and I literally did not get like anything. Like I went to Smithton to see my cousin, but like I didn't film anything, and then I filmed a bit on the way back, but then I got home and I just like kind of chilled for the weekend. I ended up cleaning the rest of Saturday and then went to the market on Sunday with Ali and then just like chilled for the rest of the day. So I already had another video to upload, so that was really good, but today I'm going to just combine both last weekend and this weekend into the one vlog, because why the hell not? I'm just getting ready because I'm about to go pick up my parents and then we are going to drive to Scottsdale to hopefully buy a fridge for the caravan. Also, disclaimer, I'm not wearing any makeup today, like face makeup today, so if I look a bit weird, that's why. But yeah, I saw this fridge on Gumtree for 250 bucks. It's a two-way fridge, so that means it runs on 12 volt and 240 volt instead of a three-way fridge, which was what was in there, which ran on gas 12 and 240 volt. Anyway, that fridge was really old, didn't end up working, and we decided to get rid of it. But I've been struggling to find a fridge because we could just, you guys probably don't care, so if you don't care about caravan stuff, I'm just going to put a timestamp on the screen and you can skip to that. So because today I am doing something caravan related, I thought I might as well give you guys an update on the caravan, because you guys know that I'm doing like my caravan diary series. I'm currently in the process of filming one at the moment, but they will be far and few between, and none of them are really going to focus on where the caravan's at right now. So before we get on with the day, I'm going to give you guys a quick update on where the caravan is at. Okay, so I'm standing at the very back of the caravan and you can see it is just completely torn apart. We've taken the carpet out. We've kept it though because we use it as a template for the next round of carpet we do. We're currently sorting out the sink situation, and the plumbing is what Brett's working on currently. All the curtains and the couches are gone because I'm currently in the process of redoing those. And there's just shit everywhere. Like Brett had to take out the cupboards and drawers in order to get the carpet out. We did that. Well, Brett did that. That's where the old TV was. I'm going to change this though, because I don't want the caravan to have like the raw wood look in it, just because it doesn't match with that. So I'm taking this out and I'm going to make this like a cork board, and I've bought like some cute little push pins, and I think that'll be really nice because it'll be somewhere for us to put like photos of Charlie and like family and friends and all that. So that is the plan for that. That's obviously not important right now. I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but Brett redid the shower and it looks really good, apart from the fact that he needs to reseal that one tile. It's really dark in there, so the camera's probably on to shit, but yeah, so he redid it this like black marble, and got a new shower head and the skylight cleaned, and it just looks really good. So once that's all up and working, it'll be really cool. Here's me. Hey. So yeah, you would have seen outside, I didn't want to talk because neighbours are everywhere, but we got a new drawbar, which is where the caravan was. So the past like month and a half, we're getting a new drawbar. But yeah, this is the update of the caravan. It's just a mess at the moment because we're in the middle of doing like so many different things. So that is where the old fridge was. And if I get this fridge that I'm going to look at today, it's going to be smaller than what was there. So we're probably going to build like a mini shelf on top of it, or like something, but it'll be extra storage, so you know, no worries. So I'm gonna go to my sister's first and get her to make me a coffee. She doesn't know this yet, but it's happening. And I have to drop off the car seat as well because I need to empty out what's in my car so I can fit this goddamn fridge in it. And then I'll go to my parents' house, pick them up, and then we'll be on the road to Scottsdale. But before I do all of that, I need to get petrol because otherwise I won't be getting anywhere. Let's try this again. I don't know what has happened to this vlog, and I'm sorry about the lighting. You know, I'm in the car, I'm driving, things change. I've kept starting it like multiple times, and I get absolutely nowhere with it, and I just don't even know why. But it is Monday today. It's a public holiday. It's the Queen's birthday. It's not actually, but you know, it's the public holiday we get for. I don't know how the world works. Well, I didn't finish vlogging Saturday because I was with my family. I was with my mum and dad. They don't like being on camera. I was going to buy a fridge, for Christ's sake. Like, it wasn't exactly the most exciting content. And then yesterday I was working on another video which is to do with the caravan, so I couldn't vlog any of that, and I literally spent all day doing it, and like this hand, I'm not even kidding, has like a bruise from using a staple gun for so long. But anyway, it's Monday and I have decided that I am going to Kmart. I think the reason I'm not vlogging is simply because I just feel like I have nothing to vlog. My life has been very boring lately, and even today I'm thinking about going into work. As I said in a vlog a while ago, I think work is just absolutely mad at the moment, and it's just had to take priority even outside of work. So and also I'm working on the caravan, so they are separate videos and they take up my weekends, so I can't exactly vlog that. And I thought about just making the caravan videos my vlogs, but I can't even film the final bit of the caravan video yet. Like, I can't film it until I can put it, I'm gonna stop explaining myself, but I can't film, like, because what I'm doing for the caravan videos is that I'm making stuff, and I can't film the end result until I can like put everything together in the caravan, and that's not now. So I'm like making all these videos that you guys aren't gonna see for like weeks. But anyway, enough talking from me. I'm gonna go to my sister's, see if she wants to make me coffee, because this is just a recurring theme in my life and her life. I just rock up, dump the dog, get a coffee, and I leave. It sounds really bad, but you know, it's a win-win situation, I think. I don't know. And then I'm gonna go to Kmart and have a good old time and spend all my money and just get all the stuff I don't need, but also get the stuff I do need, because I have a small list. Guaranteed I'm gonna get way more than what's on that list. Oh, look, Charlie's popped in to say hello. So I'm back from Kmart, so I thought I'd do a quick little Kmart haul. So this is my bag. It's pretty big. Well, it's pretty full, I should say. So I went in there thinking I'd spend like $30 or so, and I ended up spending $68.40. So there's that to start off with. Okay, I'm gonna start with the things I actually went in there for. I actually wanted to buy a hair curler. I only have a hair straightener and I can't straighten. I only have a hair straightener and I can't curl hair with a straightener. I don't really ever curl my hair, even when I had a hair curler. I just don't think it's me. But last weekend I curled my cousin's hair and like brushed it out and made it real messy and nice, and I really liked it on her, so I was like, I'm gonna give it a go. So I bought this. I think this was like $15 or so. It's the only one they had, which I thought they used to have like heaps and heaps, but that's the only one they had. I bought a 3-pack of stockings. I only wear these to work. I don't wear stockings like over the weekend. Like, I'm wearing bare legs today and it's winter, so yeah. But yeah, I just wear these to work, and every, you know, month or so I have to buy a new pack. That's pretty much everything I went in there to actually buy. Whilst I was in there, I remembered that I needed a new phone screen protector, so I picked the glass, the tempered glass one up. This was $5. I got this, which was on clearance for $3. It's basically just a big empty, sorry, the dog's like right next to me asleep. Can you see it in the mirror? No. Big thing. And what I'm gonna do with this is because we actually bought like some treats for Charlie, which is something we have never done before. So like doggy biscuits and doggy chocolate and stuff. So I wanted somewhere to keep it because at the moment it's just sitting there. So I'm gonna put it on this and put this on top of the fridge, and I think that'll just look really cute. And it was $3 on special. So, you know, 2 pairs of undies for $2 each. These are like way too, usually I only wear just like black underwear and that's it. But I thought, you know, I'm gonna spice some things up. So I got those for $2 each. It's like a tropical kind of print and then just grey with a pink band. So I got those. I got some bag clips. Those things that you like put over a bag of chips or something so that they don't go stale. The big ones of ours keep disappearing, so this was like 75 cents, so I got that. And also I feel like I'm gonna keep needing to buy these because next year I feel like these are gonna save our life in the caravan with like everything, like pasta, oats, chips, everything. I got a 3-pack of like socks that go higher up your leg because the boots I'm wearing, which are higher, I don't like wearing nothing around my leg because it would like rub and hurt. So I picked up just a 3-pack of those. I think that's like $3. If you are anything like me, you can't go to Kmart without buying your pet an article of clothing. So I got Charlie this little beanie. Guarantee she is gonna hate it and not wear it, but it was $4 and it's pink and I just think it's adorable. So I'm gonna put it on her in a minute. We'll see if she actually, because she shakes her head a lot, so it's gonna fly off, but I just wanted to get it because I thought it was cute. I actually bought a piece of clothing for work. So this was on sale for $8 down from $15, and it's just this red like long sleeve top, and then the ends of the sleeve have like a slight flare to them. At work, all I ever wear is a black skirt, black stockings, black shoes, and then like either our work uniform top or like a coloured or black top. So I just thought this would be like a nice pop of colour. I actually bought a mustard one the other day from like Mix at Coles, and it's really nice, and I wore it to work, and one of my co-workers was like, why are you wearing colour? Like, guys, it's not only outside of work, at work I also never wear colour. I bought this like turban-y style headband for doing my makeup because I have some smaller headbands but they don't hold my hair back. You guys know I have a lot of hair, so this is like a really thick one and it doesn't have a lot of stretch to it, so I thought that'd be really good. I had to get navy blue because they had blue and black. The black was $5 and this was $2.50, so I got that one. And then the last thing I bought is just a pair of black trackies. I got these because they're like the drop crotch style and I really like those. And the ones I have currently are like so old and like not even black anymore, so I figured I might as well get some new ones, seeing as we're in winter and all I want to do is be comfy. So that's my Kmart haul. I've got the dog sitting right next to me having a sook because she's got her jacket on. So yeah, that's my Kmart haul. Let's go put this beanie on the dog. So I realized I never actually showed you what the fridge looks like, so before we finish the vlog I'm gonna give you a little glimpse. So it was open because, well, it's open because we had to silicone a bit up so it's drying, but you can tell that like where the old fridge was, this one is much smaller, but I think it's much more suitable for us, and it will also give us some extra storage because what we think we're gonna do is we're gonna raise it and have like a little kind of storage bit underneath it for like shoes and stuff like that. So it's all gonna work out in the end. So it's just got like 3 little things this side and then 2 shelves and a little freezer. This is what the front looks like. So this is like the little lock thing, which is super handy. But it's like a fake wood panel, but it's all like chipped up and everything. So I think the plan is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like sand this back and then put contact paper over it. At this stage I'm thinking black, because it's got that way it's gonna blend in with the floor, because we are gonna have black floor. But that's another story. But anyway, that's what the fridge looks like. But anyway, that's where I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.